Scientists turn nuclear waste into diamond batteries that can last for 1,000 years. Even though it produces massive amount of hazardous radioactive waste that are incredibly difficult to process and get rid of, scientists have potentially come up with a solution to deal with the nuclear waste that may well change the battery technology as we know it today. Hello everyone, welcome to It Happens. Back in 2016, a group of researchers, physicists, and chemists at the University of Bristol started working on what came to know as the radioactive diamond batteries. The invention that they came up with was presented as a bioelectric device, which means that it is powered by a beta decay of nuclear waste. Beta decay is a type of a radioactive decay that occurs when an atom nucleus has an excess particle or releases some of them to obtain a more stable radioproton to the neutron. This produces a kind of ionizing radiation called beta radiation, which involves a lot of high-speed and high-energy electrons, or portions known as beta particles. A typical beta-violetic cell consists of thin layers of radioactive material placed between semiconductors. As the nuclear material decays, it emits beta particles that knocks electrons loose in a semiconductor, creating an electric current. However, the power density of the radioactive source is lower than the further it is from the semiconductor. This means that nuclear batteries are much less efficient than other types of batteries. Radioactive batteries are made through a process called chemical vapor deposition, which is widely used for artificial diamond manufacture. Researchers have modified the process to grow radioactive diamonds by using radioactive methane containing the radioactive isotope carbon-14, which is found on irradiated reactor graphite blocks. These diamonds can act both as a radioactive source as well as a semiconductor. When exposed to beta radiation, you'll get a long-duration battery that doesn't need to be recharged. The nuclear waste in its interior fuels it over and over again, allowing it to change itself for ages, which was very little to no measurement degradation over hundreds of years. Theoretically speaking, a single battery can be used for over 1,000 years without having to replace or recharge. This piece, the battery, is a working prototype that cannot be used in common applications like laptops or cell phones because the power it provides is very little. Its application is limited to small devices that don't draw too much power. In order to make it implementable on a large and commercial scale, researchers are working on technology that would be enable to them develop and sustain the invention. Archon, an English firm who are commercializing Bristol's radioactive diamond battery, plans on releasing its first product, a micro battery for pacemakers and sensors, to make market in the latter part of 2023. Let me know what you think of this video. Like, share, and subscribe. It'll help me to make more videos like this. Your comments on this video will be mostly appreciated. Thanks for tuning in. See you soon.